Intensity plot is a graph indicating how much on the vertical axis and length or wavelength on the horizontal axis. Let's take a look at an example. Here we're looking at a plot of a fluorescent light spectrum. On the vertical axis, we're looking at intensity, or how much, which is in units of counts. On the horizontal axis, we're looking at, in this example, wavelength in units of nanometers. We have a spectrum which indicates that there is certain particular elements emitting light at particular wavelengths. For example, we see a very large spike with a high number of counts, or we would say very intense, and this element is mercury on the periodic table. At a wavelength of around 640 nanometers, mercury is very intense in this fluorescent light. At other wavelengths, it is not as intense. Another example would be europium, EU, on the periodic table. At a wavelength of around 610 nanometers, europium has a high number of counts indicating a high intensity, whereas at other wavelengths, it is not as intense. This is an example of an intensity plot, where on the vertical axis is intensity or counts, and the horizontal axis is wavelength.